All right, today is lesson 30, and it's about interpreting pictures of fractions, decimals, and percents. And we've done a lot of work with decimals already, but we've saved everything for fractions for later. So today we're going to be working a little bit with fractions, and you'll even see some percents too. Okay, so pictures can help us understand the meaning of a fraction. If I'm looking at this picture right here, this circle, what is this circle representing?
1/6.
How do we know?
Because one of the 6 square or triangles is shaded.
Because one of the 6 pieces is shaded. Okay, what if I wanted to show 5/6? What would I have to do different?
You would color in 4 more.
I'd have to color in 4 more pieces, right, to have a total of 5 shaded. And if I wanted to show 6 out of 6, what would I have to do? Shade the whole thing. And 6 out of 6 is equal to how much? 1 whole. Okay, good. So what fraction of this group of circles is shaded? Look at just the group of circles. 3/5. How do you know? Hayden.
Shaded.
Hold on, I want one person.
Because
Because 3 of the 5 are shaded. Good. So this one should be 3/5, and that's because I have 5 total circles and 3 of the 5 are shaded. What fraction of this circle is not shaded? Raise your hand. Savannah? 3/4. And what decimal part is shaded?
decimal point.
Mm-hmm. What would the decimal be for the part that is shaded?
0.25.
Yes, 0.25. If you think about $1, you think about it being a whole. Okay, we've got this part right here already shaded. This is representing 3/4 as a fraction. What the next part is asking is for this part right here that is shaded. Or first part was not shaded. So I'm looking at the part that's in red. When I take a whole amount, and we always like to think about money because we can think about quarters, and you guys start learning about money earlier on, so you have a good concept of how to break up $1. So if I break up $1 into 4 coins, that would be a quarter, which is 0.25. How do I read that decimal? Do y'all remember?
0.25.
25 hundredths. Very good. Okay, fractions and percents are 2 ways to describe parts of a whole. So if I don't have a whole number and I just have part of a whole number, you can read them as a fraction. You can also read them as a percent. A whole percent is always 100%. So like think about your grade. If you get every question right on a paper, what grade do you get? 100%. We don't put the percentage on there, but that's what it is. It's a percentage. You got 100% of the paper correct. Okay, we abbreviated as 100% with the little symbol right here. Okay, so percent sign, you guys should be familiar with that. Now, think about $1 when thinking about percents. Just like how we think about $1 when we think about decimals or when we think about fractions. A whole dollar is 100 cents. So if I have a whole dollar, that equals 100 cents, which equals 100% of $1. What if I have half a dollar?
50%.
That's 50 cents.
25%.
And that's,
10%.
please stop.
50 hundredths.
What percent? 50%. So half of $1 is 50 cents, which would equal 50% because it's half. A quarter of $1 is
25%.
equal to 25 cents, which is 25%. And then a dime is,
10 cents, which is also equal to 20.
it's 1/10 of $1, which is 10 cents and 10%. Okay, what percent of this square is shaded?
50%.
How do you know, Davis?
Because half of it is shaded.
Okay, half of it is shaded. Everybody understand that both of these is representing a half. If I were to show it as a decimal, what would that look like? Savannah? 50 hundredths. Is there another decimal I could use to also represent that?
You could do 5/10.
Or 5/10. Very good. Okay, and if I wanted to do percentages, Davis told us that it would be represented by 50%. Okay, 3/4, think about this, 3/4 plus a dime. So 3/4 is what, 25 cents 25 cents, and 25 cents, plus a dime is what percent of a dollar? Jeremy. 85% of a dollar. How do you know?
Because 25 and 25 and 25 is 75. And 10 you just add the 1. And the 1 place doesn't change at all. It's always the 10th place that changes.
Very good. So after you add the 3 25s to get 75 and you add the 10, you're getting 85. And then to make it into a percent, it's just out of 100 already, so it's 85%. Good. Good. Oops. That's our lesson. It's very short.
Oh, that was easy.
So I'm going to pass out your paper. Today it starts on page 202, I think, and it goes through 204. You'll do all 30 questions today.